Master the Gulf Physiotherapy License Exam, your gateway to a bright career. Welcome to my channel where we unlock the secrets of the Gulf Physiotherapy License Exam. Are you ready to start your career in United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, or Oman? Look no further because we have got you covered. In this video, I will guide you towards achieving your dreams and securing the esteemed license. So let's dive right in. In this video, we'll talk about 3 to 4 sections. In first section, we'll talk about understanding the Gulf Physiotherapy License Exam. In section 2, we'll discuss about our parallel online coaching experience. In section 3, we will discuss about powerful techniques for exam preparation. In section 4, we will discuss about real-life success stories. In section 5, we'll discuss about unique benefits of a coaching program. So starting from section 1, understanding the Gulf Physiotherapy License. Before we begin, let's break down the various licensing exams you need to conquer. From the Dubai Health Authority (THA) to the Department of Health (DOH) to the Ministry of Health (MOH), QCHP, MOPH that are for Qatar, Saudi License Exam, NHRA that is for Bahrain, OMSV that is for Oman. We will help you to navigate through each step along the way. Talking about Section 2 or parallel online coaching experience, with years of experience under our belts, we are proud to offer you an exceptional online coaching platform specifically designed to prepare you for success. Your own mentor and expert of license exam coaching instructor is dedicated to ensure that you comprehend all the necessary knowledge and skills required to pass these challenging exams. Moving towards Section 3, powerful techniques for exam preparation. We understand that exam preparation can be overwhelming, but fear not. Our proven study techniques and strategies will help you improve your understanding and retention of key concepts. We will teach you how to effectively manage your time, tackle difficult questions, and provide valuable tips for acing the clinical scenarios. Moving towards Section 4, real-life success stories. We don't just want to tell you about our expertise, we want to show you. Throughout this video, we'll share real success stories from individuals who once stood in your shoes. Listen to their journeys and invaluable advice as they bring you one step closer to achieving your own Gulf Physiotherapy license. Moving towards last section, Section 5, unique benefits of our online coaching program. When you join our coaching program, you gain access to an array of incredible benefits. From comprehensive study materials, interactive practice exams, and personalized feedback on your strengths and weaknesses, we have it all. Prepare to be supported every step of the way on your success. So now that you have witnessed our commitment to your success, it's time for you to take action. Secure your future as a licensed physiotherapist in the Gulf region by subscribing to our channel and enrolling in our online coaching program. Together, we will conquer the exams, open the doors to endless opportunities, and pave the way for a thriving career. Don't miss out on any updates, motivational content, and expert coaching tips. Hit that subscribe button and ring notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Remember, the power to unlock your full potential lies within you. Let's ace this Gulf Physiotherapy License Exam together. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.